Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a napkin swan. So to start, you just take your regular paper napkin, and they usually come folded into fourths. So you're going to place it so that the free ends of the napkin are at the top, like that. And then you're going to fold it in half. And then unfold and bring the sides towards the center. After that, we're gonna flip the napkin and repeat the same step, folding towards the center line again. After that, you're gonna fold it in half vertically, so bring the bottom to the top like that, and then you take about a third of the length and fold it down like that. After that, take your napkin and fold it in half backwards like that. Then you're gonna take the neck of the swan and lift it. And do the same thing with the head. Okay. After that comes the tricky part. You're basically gonna take the feathers one by one and pull them from here. So you're gonna have 3 layers to pull. So in order to do that, just take your swan here with 2 fingers and then gently pull 1 layer of paper at a time. So it might be easier if you just pinch 1 layer first, then grab it and pull like that. First one, the second one, and then the third one. After that, you can sort of shape the layers so they look more even and more round. But yeah, that's pretty much your swan ready. And yep, thank you guys for watching my tutorial, and leave your comments below and subscribe to my channel.